Question number 2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 50. Given A is equal to 0, 0, B equal to 36, 15. That is x1, y1, x2, y2. By distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. AB is equal to x2 is here 36 and x1 is 0. 36 minus 0 square plus y2 is 15, y1 is 0. AB is equal to 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 21. 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10. 6 9 2 1 1 2 9 6 plus 15 15s are 225. AB is equal to, adding 1 2 9 6 plus 2 2 5, 6 plus 5 11, 9 plus 2 11, 12, 2 4 5 1. That is 1521. 1521 under root 2 pair 3 3s are 9 and 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Complete pair 21. Double of 3 is 6 and we multiply by 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 6 are 54 plus 8 62. Complete. 9. Under root of 1521 is equal to 39. So AB is equal to 39 into 39, that is 1521. So AB is equal to 39 square with under root square under root cancel, but AB is equal to 39 units answer. Given A is 0 0, B is 36 and 15. x1 y1, that is 0 0, x2 y2 36 and 15, and using by distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. x2 is here 36 minus x1 is 0, 36 minus 0 square plus 15 minus 0 square, 36 minus 0, that is 36. 36 square equal to 1296. 36 multiplied by 36, that is 1296. And 15 minus 0 is 15. 15 square is 225. And adding 1296 plus 225, that is 1521. Under root of 1521, we get 1521. 3 3s are 9, pair of 2, 15, 3 3s are 9, and 15 minus 9 is 6, but 21 is here, and double of 3 is 6. Taking 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 equal to 62, which is completely divisible by 39. So 39 square is equal to 1521. AB is equal to 39 into 39, that is 39 square. With under root cancel, under root square cancel, but AB is equal to 39 units. Answer. Question number 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. Given A is equal to 1, 5, B is equal to 2, 3 and C is equal to -2, -11. First of all, using by distance formula A and B, by distance formula AB is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, 2 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus 5 whole square. So AB is equal to under root of 2 minus 1, that is 1 square, plus 5 minus 3 is 2, but -2 minus 2 square. This implies under root of 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So we get the value of AB is equal to under root of 4 plus 1 is 5. And on the same process, by distance formula BC, B into C, by distance formula BC, x1 y1 x2 y2 is here, but x2 minus x1 square means -2 square plus -11 minus 3 square. This implies under root of -2 that is -4 square. -11 minus 3 is -14 square. BC is equal to 4 4s are 16 plus 14 14s are 196. 196 adding 196 plus 16, that 6 plus 6 12, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 1, 10 plus 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 1, 1 plus 1 2. Sum of 196 and 16 is equal to 212, and prime factorization of 212, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20, 6 are 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are, and 53 is as. But this implies under root of 2 into 53, and one pair of 2 is common, but BC is equal to under root of 2 under root 53. 2 is common, 2 root 53. And by AC, distance formula by AC is equal to -2 minus 1 square plus -11 minus 5 square. This implies under root of -3 square plus -16 square. 3 3s are 9. AC is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 16 16s are 256. 256 plus 9. This implies AC is equal to under root of 265. 9 plus 6 15, 5 plus 1 6 and 265. 265, 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15, but 53 ones are. This implies under root of 5 into 53. So AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So ABC is not collinear. Given A is 1, 5, B is 2, 3, C is minus 2, 11, minus 11. Using by distance formula, first AB x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. X2 is here 2, x and x1 is 1. 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 5 square. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. AB is equal to under root of 5. But same process BC, minus 2 square plus minus 11 minus 3 square. 2 minus 2 that is minus 4. Minus 4 square is equal to 16 and 11 plus 3 that is 14 and negative 14. 14 square equal to 196 and sum of 196 and 16 equal to 212. And factorize this, we get 2 under root of 53. Value of BC equal to 2 under root 53. And using by distance formula, AC is equal to minus 2 minus 1 square plus minus 11 minus 5 square. 3 square equal to 9 and 16 square is equal to 256. And sum of 256 and 9 is equal to 265. But 265 factorize 5 into 53 with under root. But AB plus BC, AB is root 5, BC is 2 root 53, that is different, and AC is 5 root 53. So ABC is not collinear. Question 4. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. A is equal to 5 minus 2, B is equal to 6 and 4, C is equal to 7 minus 2. By distance formula. AB, that is 6 minus 5 square x2 minus x1 square plus 4 minus 2 that is positive 2 square is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is 6 square. AB is equal to under root of 1 plus 6, 6 are 36. This implies AB is equal to under root of 37. and by distance formula BC is equal to 7 minus 6 square plus minus 2 minus 4 square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1 square is also 1. 4 plus 2 is minus 6 and minus 6 square equal to positive 36. So VC is equal to 1 plus 36, then BC is equal to 37. And by distance formula AC, under root of 7 minus 5 square plus minus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 square. Seven minus 5 square, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 square plus minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. This implies under root of 2 square plus 0, that is square cancel is equal to 2. So AB equal to BC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, by distance formula AB is equal to BC, then ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given A is 5 minus 2, B is 6 and 4, C is 7 and minus 2. By distance formula AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This implies under root of minus under root 1 square plus 6 square. 1 square is 1 and 6 square is 36. 36 plus 1 is equal to 37, and AB is equal to under root of 37. By distance formula B and C is equal to 7 minus 6 square plus minus 2 minus 4 square. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1 square is 1. 4 plus 2, that is 6, minus 6 raised to power 2 is 36, and 36 plus 1 is equal to 37 with under root. So AB is equal to BC, then ABC is an isosceles triangle. But AC, using by distance formula, AC is equal to 7 minus 5 square plus minus 2 plus 2 square. Minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. 0 square is 0. But 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 and 2 square is 4. Under root of 4 is equal to 2. And we get the value of AC is equal to 2. But AB is equal to BC, not equal to AC. So if AB is equal to BC, then ABC is an isosceles triangle. Hence proved. Thank you so much.